My name is Masahiko Mori. I'm Japanese, and I'm a group CEO of the DMG MORI corporations. This company, Area 419, is quite visible in the past 5-6 years as our customer list. You are always buying the latest machines and also fully utilize our concept of machining transformations. So I'm quite curious and want to see that your unique production and unique products. Your products are quite US special, and then I want to see how do you manufacture and how do you marketing, or how do you assemble, how do you treat the people and what kind of locations. Everything is quite unique and special, especially for the company in Japan and Germany. For instance, we have about 300,000 machines as of DMG MORI machines are working all over the world. Average vintage is over 20 years. And then also by talking with Siemens, Fanuc, Mitsubishi, Heidenhain, or Beckhoff, any other control manufacturer, I'm quite sure there is existing about 5 million machine tools on the globe. And then average vintage is becoming over 30 years old. So too many machines too old, and it is very difficult to keep tolerance and productivities. Also, some old machines are not so attractive for younger generations. Looks very old, not so fancy. It is quite necessary for us to propose more aggressive process integrations by use of the top-notch 5-axis machines or Milton technologies. Putting the raw materials into the machines and taking out finished machined parts is the most slavery and not interesting job in the factory. We can automate those kind of things by use of today's robots or pallet changing systems. We have to shift and also hiring more talented people for programming or who is doing the research for the cutting phenomena, workpiece materials and cutting tools and the coolant. This is many complicated factors, but we need more scientific type of the people for this industry. Well, you are already quite advanced. Well, I can say that please sell your product more, then that you can buy more machines from us. And also that by doing that, you can keep uptime, running time of the machines more higher. Theoretically, if you can run machines 20 hours and 300 days, that you can run the machine 6,000 hours. This means that you can achieve the most cost-efficient productions. OEM producer, own equipment manufacturer like you has a great chance to realize such kind of a very productive but high efficient and precise manufacturing.